Hello and welcome. I'm Otis Landerholm and I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C. where we fight for your American dream. And today we're talking about green cards in more detail, and specifically I want to talk about the basics of inadmissibility. So to be eligible for a family-based green card, or really any green card, and actually even any visa, right? Typically you have to be what the law calls admissible to the United States. And so we have to look at Section 212 of the Immigration Nationality Act, and we have to see, because Section 212 details all of the reasons that someone might be found inadmissible. And there are many different reasons, all right? Some are related to immigration violations. If you've triggered the 3-year bar or the 5-year bar because of unlawful presence, we have separate videos on those. Inadmissibility is also triggered by fraud, or what we call a willful misrepresentation of a material fact. All right. Inadmissibility is also triggered by certain crimes. So if you have certain arrests on your record, then you'll want to talk with a lawyer about those. Make sure that they don't make you ineligible. Inadmissibility can also even be triggered by health-related issues. If you have a health issue that poses a significant public risk, for example, it can cause you to be inadmissible. Also, the quote-unquote public charge ground, which means basically being poor. If the government thinks that you'll be likely to need welfare and be a quote-unquote public charge, then they can deny a visa or a green card based on that as well. So each of these inadmissibility grounds are things to screen for, and in a good consultation, a lawyer will go in deep with you to make sure that you understand whether or not you're inadmissible. And then if you are inadmissible, some of those inadmissibility grounds can be waived, and so sometimes you need a waiver, all right? And not always, all right? And so, and some inadmissibility grounds are simply not waivable. And so that's all I wanted to explain for this video, basically to explain what inadmissibility even means. You may have seen that term in a case or heard of it before. And so basically it's the legal requirements that immigration has to go through to see whether or not you're even eligible for a visa or a green card. Okay? So I hope that makes sense. And yeah, I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C. We fight for your American dream. And if you have any questions at all about any of this, please contact our office. Thank you so much.